Hey everyone, my name is Ivan Kweta, and in today's video we shall see on how you can transfer USDTs from OKX to your Binance account. If you don't have those apps, you can go to Play Store and download those apps. First step, I will come to Binance. After opening my Binance account, I will go to where you see assets down right corner. I click on asset. After clicking on asset, I will go to add funds. After clicking on add funds, I will go to on chain deposit. After clicking on chain deposit, they will take me to this place where I will be allowed to choose USDT. You can type from here or you can choose if you see them there. Then after reaching here, you are supposed to look for to choose the network. You are supposed to look for the network which charges less fees, and the network should be the same with what you the network I choose here should be the same with the network we shall use from OKX to deposit. First of all, most of you are used of TRC20 Tron, which I don't always use because they charge high fees. So I would advise you to always go on OKX and look for network which has less fees. And in this video, I will go with Uptram. I'm looking for the network with less fees. In this video, I will go with the Arbitrum 1. So I will click on Arbitrum 1. After clicking on it, they will bring me this page whereby I can go with QRC code or I go with what we call deposit address. I will copy wallet address. After copying wallet address, here I'm going now to go to OKX with this wallet address. I come to OKX. After opening your OKX, you are supposed to be, if you are on home page, you will click on assets. After clicking on asset, they will show you this page. After showing you this page, you will click on where you see withdraw. Remember the other side we clicked on deposit, and now this side around we are clicking on withdraw crypto. Remember we are transferring from OKX to Binance. So on OKX we are withdrawing, and we still have our other copy link with us, so it's the one which we shall use to deposit. After reaching on withdraw, you tap on withdraw crypto. After tapping on withdraw crypto, it takes few minutes and then you are able to choose withdraw USDTs. After choosing withdraw USDTs, it will bring you this page, and then you click on exchange. On the new destination, you click on exchange. And remember, last time we used the address we copied, it is Arbitrum. If you make a mistake here and you choose Tron or you choose any other network, here you will lose your crypto. So you need to be serious and take care and remember very well. So I'm going to choose Arbitrum, like the one we chose from Binance. Then after reaching here, you are requested to paste here the copied wallet address from the Binance, and you should make sure that it is of the same network. So this one network, our network was Arbitrum. You can verify from here up, and then here you can see that if you had saved QRC, you can tap here and you scan. But in this case for us, we chose address, so you touch here, you long press and you paste. That is our network. Then here you are requested to put any amount you want. You can see that the minimum is 0.2, and you can choose to put like 2 or 3 or 5, but for me I want to transfer all. I touch on maximum. After touching on maximum, I click on submit. Clicking on submit, you can see that they are going to charge me 0.098, but if you use like TRC20, it will be high fees. So I confirm. After confirming, they ask me to put my security. I put, and then I wait to receive money on Binance. After receiving this, you can check on the view. Under the view, you can see that they have said that it is sent. After showing you that they have sent, these are the details of everything you can watch. If you don't want, you can go now to your Binance and check your USDTs. So I come into my Binance account, I refresh. After refreshing, I tap here and you can see that I have got my 9.947 USDTs. So you can start trading or use it for other purposes. That was the video, guys. Thank you for today. See you in the next video. If you are new to my YouTube channel, you can subscribe and tap on notification bell to always get simplified videos in your crypto and knowledge. Thank you. See you in the next video.